Hi everyone, Jean-Pierre Paul here with Rush Lending. Want to talk to you a little bit about a foreign national loan program. When we're talking about foreign nationals, we're talking about people that either have a visa that don't necessarily live here. They live in a foreign country. A perfect example, somebody from Venezuela, somebody from Haiti, or somebody from Europe that live elsewhere and they want to purchase a home here. We want to let you know that Rush Lending have one of the best foreign national program loans out there with a minimum of 30% deposit. We will help you. We will get you your loan to purchase real estate here in the United States with a foreign national loan. So all of you foreign nationals, reach out to us. The number is 305-756-7844. Also, you can always apply online directly at rushlending.com.